So what I want to do is just go through these tabs and show you what we selected for the demo WordPress website. And if we go too fast or if you want to slow things down, you can always go to the text tutorial on how to make a WordPress website for free. And on step number 14, we have all of these settings that we selected for our WordPress website. And if you want, you can always pause the video or rewind and rewatch this section if you need to. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the General tab, and we're not going to make any changes here. I just want to make sure that you have the right top and bottom padding. So we should have 83 right here and 100 right here. And if we do, then we can just go back. And what I want to do now is go to the Site Title, Tagline, and Logo tab. So click on this. And this is where you can go to update your site title and your tagline. So what I want you to do is make sure that you have the right site title and tagline, and you can see it right here and also in these tabs on your web browser up here. So what I want to do is just delete the tagline right here. So I just wanted to say Design Studio, and I'm going to show you how to create a custom logo and favicon a little bit later. And once we upload those, that's going to make the site title disappear right here and be replaced with our logo. So we'll do that a little bit later, but if you did update this section, what I want you to do is click on the Save and Publish button. And once that's saved, we can just click on Back right here. And let's actually go back into our header area, and let's talk about the menu style now instead of later. So click on Menu Style, and you should see the sticky menu option right here. And there's two options, sticky and static. So let me show you the difference. On the demo WordPress website, we have our transparent header menu at the top on the home page. And if we scroll down, you can see that the transparent header menu has a background color now, and the header menu sticks at the top as we scroll down the page. This is what we call a sticky header menu because it stays right here even if we scroll. If you don't want to see the header menu and you want to leave it right at the top of the page, what you want is a static header menu. So what you want to do in your WordPress options right here is select the menu type that you want. So we'll go with sticky. And then what you want to do is choose the menu style. So there's two options, inline and centered. Inline means that the logo or the site title is going to show up on the same line as your header menu items. And if you click on the centered option, you can see that the preview page updates and the logo or the site title shows up on top of the header menu items. So you can select whichever one that you want. For this website, what we're making, we're going to use the inline option. So I'll leave everything as is. But again, if you do make any changes, click on the Save and Publish button. And once you're ready, let's click back right here. And then let's go back to the main customized page. So let's click back one more time. And now what I want you to do is click on the Blog Options tab. And this is where you can change the blog layout. And there's a few different options here, but we're going to use the default option, which is the classic alternative to list out our blog posts. So all I want to do in this section is come down to the content excerpt section, and I want to change the excerpt length from 55 to 30. So go ahead and do that. And once you do, go ahead and click on the Save and Publish button. And once that's saved, let's just click back right here. And now what you want to do is come down to the Fonts tab and click on that. And if you want to learn how to change your font style, you can go to this URL and read up on how to do that. We're just going to go down to the bottom to the body font size over here and make sure that this says 16. So sometimes this says 14. What I want you to do is change it to 16. And if you need to, click on the Save and Publish button at the top. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on the back button. And we're going to skip the footer tab because we don't need to do anything here. So let's just go to the Colors tab. And you should see some tabs over here. And what we're going to do is go into each one of these, and I'm going to show you the color codes that I put in for the demo WordPress website. And you can select whatever colors that you want for your WordPress website. So first, let's go to the General tab. And we're only going to change the primary color and the body text color. But let me show you how to change your color first. So all you have to do is click on Select Color, and you'll get this pop-up, and you can drag this wheel around to select whatever color that you want, or you can click on the colors down here, or if you know the color code, you can just type it in right here. And if you ever want to go back to the default color, just click on the default button right here, and to click out of this, just click outside of that area. So what we're going to do is change the primary color and the body text color. And again, on the text tutorial on how to make a WordPress website for free, on step number 14, we have all of the color codes down here. So for the primary color, this is the color code that I want. So I'm just going to highlight and copy this really quickly and then go back to the WordPress website and click on select color under primary color. And then you can see that we have the color right here that is inserted for us. And it's a dull red color. And what I'm going to do is just delete the color code and then paste in my new color code, which is DD2525. And you see that it becomes a darker red. So this is the primary color. So it's going to show up on your buttons and on your links and everything like that. So put in whatever color that you want. And once you're ready, we're going to come to the body text color. And all I want to do here is change it to black. So I'll just click on the black color right here. And it's going to change the color code to 000000. And once you're ready, let's go ahead and click on the Save and Publish button. And now we can click on the back button right here. And now let's click on the header tab right here. And all I want to do is change the menu background color. So on the demo WordPress website, remember we have a transparent header menu at the top. And if we scroll down, the header menu changes to a background color. So this is the menu background color. And what you want to do is go to the Customize page and select what color that you want for the menu background color. So what I want to do is click on Select Color and just put in the same color code as my primary color. So I'll type in DD2525 and you can put in the same color code if you want, or select any color code that you want. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on Save and Publish. And once that's saved, let's click on the back button right here and let's go to the sidebar tab. And all I want to do is change the sidebar color to black. So click on Select Color and then just click on the black color right here. And what this is going to do is change the text color on my sidebar to black. So once you're ready, go ahead and click on Save and Publish. And once that's saved, we can click back right here. And we don't need to customize our colors for the footer. So we're going to skip this and just click back right here.